Hello and welcome back to another episode of Teaching Partner. Today we are diving into the world of co-teaching. We will explore 6 co-teaching models with real-life examples to make it crystal clear. Number 1. Team teaching. Imagine 2 teachers in a high school English class, both leading a discussion on a novel. One teacher focuses on character analysis while the other dives into themes. They bounce ideas off each other, creating a rich dialogue that keeps students engaged. This collaborative approach allows students to see different perspectives and deepens their understanding. Number 2. Parallel teaching. In a middle school math class, the teacher splits the students into 2 groups. One group works on solving equations while the other tackles word problems. Each teacher focuses on their group, providing personalized attention. This model helps students grasp concepts more effectively by reducing the student to teacher ratio. Number 3. Station teaching. Picture an elementary science class where students rotate through different stations. At one station, they conduct a hands-on experiment about plant growth. At another, they watch a video on photosynthesis. And at the third, they engage in a group discussion about what they learned. This model caters to various learning styles and keeps students actively involved. Number 4. Alternative teaching. In a high school history class, one teacher leads a discussion on the Civil War while the other works with a small group of students who need extra help understanding the material. This targeted support ensures that all students can keep up with the lesson, making learning more inclusive. Number 5. One teach, one assist. Imagine a 4th grade classroom where one teacher explains a new concept while the other circulates, helping students who have questions. This model allows for immediate support, ensuring that no student feels lost during the lesson. It's all about teamwork. Number 6. One teach, one observe. In a biology class, one teacher leads a lab activity while the other observes student engagement and participation. The observing teacher takes notes on which students are struggling and which are excelling. This feedback helps both teachers adjust their strategies for future lessons, ensuring continuous improvement. And there you have it, 6 co-teaching models that can enhance collaboration and improve student learning. Remember, the key to success co-teaching is communication and planning. Which model are you most excited to try? Let us know through the comment section. So that's all for today. I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope this video is very useful for you. So thank you very much. If you have any question, query, or you need any support for making a decision, don't hesitate to write an email to theteachingpartner@gmail.com. Thank you very much and see you in the next video. Goodbye.